In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, as you can see on the bottom right corner, there is an option that says Friends. Click that and you'll have multiple options to actually add some friends. The first option is Contacts. You can say Add Contacts, type in your mobile phone number, and you'll be given the option to add all of your contacts. The next way is Facebook. Same thing, you're going to click Facebook and you will have to actually log in, and then all of your Facebook friends will be available. Now the final way to add friends is to do it manually. Click on the invite and this says how it actually works. You can either invite a friend who hasn't played before or actually someone that has played before. You can send it on Messenger as the bottom option, or you can just copy the link. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.